Welcome to this quick guide on how to find your Outlook email password using the Chrome browser. Step 1. Open Chrome settings. Start by opening Chrome. In the top right corner, click on the three dots, and then select Settings. Step 2. Go to Passwords. In the Settings menu, look for the section called Autofill and Passwords. Click on Google Password Manager or Passwords. Step 3. Search for Outlook. In the Password Manager, use the search bar and type Outlook or Microsoft. This will show you any saved Outlook login details. Step 4. View the password. Click on the saved account. To see the password, click the eye icon. Chrome will ask you to enter your computer password first. After that, the saved Outlook password will be revealed. And that's it, you've successfully found your saved Outlook email password through the Chrome browser.